guys, today I am going to tell you how you can install Kali Linux within 2 minutes. So let's not waste much more time and let's get started. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले तो हम Kali Linux की कस्टम इमेज डाउनलोड करेंगे. First of all we'll download Kali Linux custom image. Click on this link. Let this link be opened and we will download the 64-bit version of the VirtualBox image of the Kali Linux. We will download it through torrent. I will tell you how you can download it through torrent with the help of uTorrent application. Here is the uTorrent application. Simply go to this link and download it. There are two versions, uTorrent Web and uTorrent Classic. You can download any of them. I have both. So now we will download another software whose name is Oracle VirtualBox. So type it on Google and you will get the first link. Simply click on that and click on downloads. Let it open. As my operating system is Windows, so I'll download it for Windows. So click on save. So let it be installed. So the interface will look like this. So let's import our Kali Linux application. So or the downloaded file, it is whole operating. So we have so click on this, click on open, do next. Now you don't have to change this configuration. The configuration which need to be changed I will tell in the future. Click on import, agree, and it will take some time. In the meanwhile, I am requesting you all to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and to share this video to anyone who has trouble in installing Linux. There are various people who install it through something called WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, but it is not that much efficient as this process which I am telling. So let's not go into that deep. It is now occurring. Boom, it happened. Now we will change the settings. Just wait for a little while. Yes, let me check. Yes, so we will first of all change the RAM. I am changing it to 4 GB. You have to allocate RAM according to your RAM size. For example, my laptop has 16 GB, so I can allocate up to 4 GB. So allocate it according to your need, but don't do any type of foolish thing. I think you can understand, like allocating 16 GB of 16 GB RAM. So let's change the network settings. We are everything I think is fine. Yes, let's change it from NAT to bridged. Yes, let me check it again. Is it okay? Yes, it is perfectly fine. Bridged adapter. Yes, let's check some other configuration. Yes, all okay. Okay, now let's get start. So it is starting. The startup will take little bit time for a first while, so ignore this pop-up and continue. The login screen has finally come. Let me resize my window first. So um, you all can see in a perfection. The username is Kali and the password is Kali. Um, I typed it very fast, sorry. So this is the operating system. I again tell you the username is Kali and password is Kali. So let's test some commands now. This is the ls command, which is list directory, which will tell the number of element present in the present working directory. This is the ifconfig command. I'm typing very fast, I'm sorry. This is the IPv4, this is the subnet mask, and this is the broadcast IP address. And now let's not go into that deep and what has this come. Let me erase it. um, Actually, this is my first video. I have a little bit knowledge about video editing tools. I'm very sorry, and this is the um, you can say softwares present in Kali Linux. Uh, so now let me run some other commands to verify that it has been correctly installed. Um, so this is the um, scanning command, which will tell you the number of devices available in the network. Um, it will take some little bit time, depending upon your network. So now let's see how much time it will take. I will pause the video as it will take time. Now the video has resumed. So as you can see, the devices are shown. These are not all the devices, but still the devices are shown. Um, this is the power of Kali Linux. This is not 0.1% power of Kali Linux which I have shown, and also this is not any type of, you can say, pen testing video. So now run some more commands. Let us verify that the Metasploit framework has been installed on the system or not. Sorry, on the virtual machine or not. We'll type msf console. MSF console. The framework is starting. So this is the Metasploit framework. We'll not do much in it right now. If the channel um, becomes grow, then I will definitely tell you a lot about Metasploit. And now let us exit from it. So let me tell you some little bit more commands such as SSH, which let me type it first. Yes, this is the SSH command, which will help you to access your shared hosting server or any type of server which um, supports SSH. I have shared hosting, that's fine, I can tell. So this was the video. I thank you all for watching this video, and like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. पहला वीडियो है यार, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, बहुत खुशी मिलेगी. ऐसे तो रेगुलरली नहीं डालेंगे, पर डालेंगे. शेयर करना दोस्तों के बीच। तो चलो बाय।